Welcome students. Let's start our part 3 for lesson set. In this part, we will learn about some signs and the methods for writing a set. First, we will focus on a concept called element or member of a set. Let's take an example. Suppose we have a set A in which there are some elements called 2, 7, 9, 11. Randomly I have taken any 4 elements here, and you can see we have followed all the rules for writing a set. For the rules, you can refer the second part of this video series. Now, look at the given set A having elements 2, 7, 9 and 11 written in curly brackets. Here you can see 9 is an element of set A. It means 9 is an element which is included in our set A. So mathematically we can write this statement using a special sign. What is our statement? 9 is an element of set A. In short, it can be written as 9 is an element of set A. Look here, 9 is an element of set A. This sign that you can see here is used to denote whether the given element is a part of the given set or not. This sign means belongs to, or an element of. As 9 is part of the set A, we can write 9 belongs to A, or we can read it as 9 is an element of set A. Again, we can see here this sign alternatively can be written like this. Here we have striked out the sign belongs to, but striked out means does not belong to. Means if given element is not part of the given set, then we use this sign to denote that element is not part of given set or it does not belong to. We can write it does not belong to. Here we can take example. You can tell me whether 13 is a part of A or not. Of course, 13 is not an element of set A. So it can be written as 13 does not belong to A. Okay. So this is a special mathematical sign, Greek sign, which is used to denote whether an element is part of the given set or not. Okay. Let's take another concept, writing a set. So for writing a set, we use different methods. The first method is called list method or listing method. Listing method is also known as roster form. Okay, roster form. As name indicates, listing method means we have to write the list of elements in given set. The list is also known as roster. Let's take an example. Suppose we have a set B. Set B is the collection of vowels in English. We know in English there are 5 vowels called A, E, I, O, U. As the name of the set for us is given B, we write here B, capital letter, then starting curly bracket, and we have to write the set of vowels in English. So these vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Here you can see A, E, I, O, U are the elements of the given set B which fulfills our given condition. Here you can see all the elements are written in the form of a list. So this is called roster form or listing method. So this is the first method of writing a set. Next method is called rule method. Now be careful here. Rule method is also known as set builder form. Okay, let's take an example. Suppose we have a set A in which elements are 1, 4, 9, 16. Do you find any rule in this set? Just think and try to tell. Yes, the elements 1, 4, 9, 16 are the perfect square numbers. These are the squares of 1, 2, 3 and 4. We know here 1, 2, 3, 4 all are natural numbers. So we can write it using a rule. How to write this? Look. Here the name of our set is A. So we can write A is the set of, look at the signs carefully that I am drawing here. A is the set of all X. These elements are denoted as any arbitrary letter X or ABCD up to Z. Generally, we avoid the elements writing inside a bracket equal to the name of our set. We write here A is the set of all X such that this vertical line is read as such that, look, such that X belongs to natural number, capital N, natural number, and these numbers or the value of X here is equal to or greater than 1 but equal to or less than 4. And we have here the square of our natural number, means the elements are the squares of 1, 2, 3, 4. So it can be written as X square. So we can see here look, we will write and read this method of set, which is known as rule method. Here we found a special rule. So it is read as A is the set of all x, this is all x, such that means our vertical line, x is a natural number, and we have taken square of these natural numbers up to 4. So this is called rule method. In next video, we will be again focusing on this method with more examples. For better understanding, watch all the 3 videos of this lesson. Thank you.